Millions of high-quality videos are uploaded every single day. Beautifully shot, perfectly edited masterpieces that are instantly swallowed by a pitch-black digital void. The algorithms controlling these platforms do not watch videos like humans do. They hit an invisible barrier, completely blind to your content, unless you provide specific, machine-readable directions. Breaking through the darkness requires mastering the underlying algorithmic address system that machines use to categorize information. To rescue your content from the void, you need to equip it with 3 specific tools: keywords, hashtags, and backend tags. In 2025, artificial intelligence systems have become multimodal. They analyze the text you write, the imagery you show, and the audio you speak. Because these systems are highly intelligent, creators can no longer fire blindly into the ether. Instead, you need a synchronized, tactical plan. By understanding exactly which algorithmic barrier each of these 3 tools is designed to breach, you can engineer a much higher chance of discovery. Weapon number 1 is keywords. Think of the internet as an infinite library. Keywords function as the exact title and index you need to breach the barrier of search. They capture active search intent. This is the exact moment a user types a specific problem directly into a search bar. This funnel diagram shows why precision matters. Most traffic bounces off the wide seed keyword layer, but a precise laser beam easily penetrates the narrow long-tail layer at the bottom. The algorithm searches these matches by scanning titles, captions, and spoken audio transcripts. Keywords act as a combative compass. They force the algorithm to deliver your content directly to the users who are actively asking for it. Weapon number 2 is hashtags. These operate like the glowing marquee outside a cinema hall, designed specifically to break through the barrier of community. Hashtags drive passive discovery. They organize content into shared topics for users casually browsing communities, rather than hunting for specific answers. This photograph of a massive crowd in Tunisia shows how shared social tags can rapidly organize distributed communities around a single focal point. But platform rules have evolved. In 2025, throwing 30 tags onto a post triggers an immediate algorithmic penalty. Using 3 to 5 highly relevant, niche tags boosts your distribution. While keywords find targeted individuals, optimized hashtags place your video on the right screen in front of a massive, pre-existing crowd. Weapon number 3 is backend tags. This includes your alt text and metadata, which function as the invisible Backstage Crew, bypassing the barrier of machine confusion. These hidden code elements whisper directly into the algorithm's ear. They capture common misspellings and clarify the exact context of the video, details the human audience never even sees. This diagram shows how alt text operates. A digital eye scans the visual image data and translates it into a stream of structured text code for visual search engines. Without this invisible backstage infrastructure confirming the context, the AI gets confused and abandons the content entirely. Deploying just one of these tools leaves your content vulnerable. Algorithmic breakthrough requires a synchronized sequence. Here is how that sequence maps out. The keyword captures the initial active searcher looking for a specific solution. Then, the hashtag takes that initial spark and feeds it to a passive community. This image of the Ice Bucket Challenge shows the participatory community engagement that occurs when a shared tag connects a specific idea to the masses. As that traffic surges, backend tags ensure the AI understands the spike is relevant, accurately indexing every single interaction. When active search intent meets community discovery under a stable technical framework, the algorithm receives high-quality engagement signals. This forces the system to move the content from small phylos into the general feed. Blindly uploading content and hoping for organic discovery is a strategy that fails in a multimodal landscape. You could have high production value, but it is effectively invisible if the content remains trapped behind algorithmic barriers. Integrating keywords, hashtags, and tags provides the specific metadata signals needed to make your content visible to its intended audience.